vandalism there, and that too as far as when it comes to Bangladesh High Commission. The MEA has slammed when it comes to the misleading propaganda and rejecting claims of security scare now, with the Bangladeshi Foreign Ministry now reacting and calling the incident just as highly regrettable and can't be accepted as propaganda, especially when it comes to this horrifying lynching of a Hindu man in Bangladesh. Dhaka has called it as an isolated attack, and it was wrong, according to Bangladesh, to call it as an attack on all minorities. Now, the security that has been deployed outside the Bangladesh High Commission amid the widespread violence erupting in Bangladesh over the death of the youth leader Osman Hadi and the mob lynching of a Hindu man Dipu Chandra Das. Let's get you a ground report how India has been reacting and how closely the entire situation unfolding in Bangladesh is being monitored.
Security outside the Bangladesh High Commission in New Delhi has beefed up following a spontaneous protest that took place here yesterday. On your screens, we're showing you visuals of the Bangladesh High Commission in the national capital, where you can see the security has been amped up. There are barricades as well as security personnel manning the gates of the High Commission. Now remember, this yesterday about 20 to 25 individuals had come here to protest against the horrendous killing of Dipu Chandra Das. They were demanding action as well as protection for all minorities in the country of Bangladesh. Remember, the relations between the relations inside the nation as well remain strained since December 12, from when we're seeing dramatic and violent protests and unrest engulf the entire country. Now today, the Ministry of External Affairs has also responded on these protests and have noted that certain Bengali news propaganda is in fact carrying misleading information of a breach, which they've denied. They've said that none of these protesters crossed the barricades and were in fact even dispersed within minutes.
So that situation is coming in from the national capital over the Bangladesh crisis.